Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can add a calendar to Framer. So we have two options that we can use. The first one is if your goal is to let users schedule meetings, Framer has a built-in Calendly tool. So what you can do is go here to the top left corner, insert, and then here in the search bar at the top type in Calendly, and you will then just drop right here. Now here, as you can see, if you are the owner of this account, you can log in to find out more. So if you are here at the really top right corner, you will have then the settings. So calendar, you can adjust here this Calendly. GDPR, you can details you can set, and so on, also style, effect, size, and so on. Now the second method that you can use is pretty much from the marketplace. So this is for calendars that display dates, events, or availability without a third-party redirect. Redirect check the Framer market. So here at the really top left corner, you will see the marker here. And now we can find here some calendars. And yeah, here you can see one of them are free, one are for one of them you need to pay. So let's go and let's use here you see this one is for free. So here you will copy the components here at the top right, and now what we need to do is just go back to our project. I will select it here, paste it, and now as you can see we have calendar right over here. It's pretty simple. What we can do now is simply just here at the right side adjust a little bit how we want this calendar to be displayed and how these functions are working. And this is basically pretty much it. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next